How's it going? Today I'll show you how to get an amazing and totally free live sports app on your Fire Stick or Android TV. And the host process is pretty easy too and won't take you more than a couple of minutes. And now, without any further ado, the first step you gotta take is get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get Downloader free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. To do so, you just go to search on your device and start typing Downloader in the search bar. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So you will click on it, and that's the app that you gotta get to your Fire Stick. But after you get Downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up Downloader, we'll have to go to the settings by clicking on that button with a gear icon. After that, you scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Let's open it. And from here, you'll have to turn on the developer options on your Fire Stick. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. You just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case it is going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then you gotta go to install on apps, and from here all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally we go back to the list of apps on your Fire TV. Here it is, we'll open it, and there's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire Stick. But before actually using the loader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use, and they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Argentina right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go straight back into the list of applications on your Fire Stick, which is right here. We'll open it and then go to Downloader. So here it is, open Downloader, and now on the application in the left side menu, make sure to click on Home. That's important. So do that, and now pretty much the last step we gotta do before we install the app is enter the code in that search bar. So the code is gonna be 545150. So once again, 545150. That is the code you have to enter. Then just click on Go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now the download of the app has started. Literally took us like 2 seconds or so. Then you have to click on install, and after that just wait until the app is finally installed on your Fire Stick. And after it is installed, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Fire Stick device. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Fire Stick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Fire Stick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now if we go to the list of apps on your Fire TV stick, which is located right here, we'll open it, and now it should load. There it is, and you'll see the new application which we installed. Here it is. So now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. So click on it and then press on move to front. This way the app is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Then feel free to open that sports app, and from here you get access to hundreds of channels from all over the world. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact channels available in this app, but in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurry. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.